All right, welcome everyone. My name is Aaron, and today my team and I will be sharing with you our take on the Food4Kids project, as well as our website. Our goal in this project is to create a strong and comprehensive idea with a to-the-point website with simple functionalities.
Hi, my name is Amanda, and I am the product manager of my group. Aaron and Lucy are our project research analysts. We three are the ones bringing forth this presentation to you. Next, we have Mark and Terry as the front and back end developers. They are the ones that will be answering questions you may have in the Q&A.
Hi everyone, my name is Lucy and I'm the market research analyst. So here is our presentation outline. So first of all, we are going to talk about our goals and deliverables. And then we are going to introduce you our coding system. And next, we are going to show you some thumbnail images on our website and also some function highlights. So next, we are going to take you to an actual web tour. And then we are going to talk about some advantages, features about our website. And finally, we are going to mention about some areas that we want to improve for the future.
So let's start off with our goals and deliverables. Our four main segments of focus for this project are budgeting and purchasing, food in stock, generating food packages, and package distribution. Budgeting and purchasing is a segment where we research and focus on the cost of food and finding the most efficient ways to reach our goals. Nextly, food in stock refers to the segment where we see what foods are in stock so we can make our purchases to fill the given food bags. Generating food packages is a segment based on our website's interface. It allows you to generate the correct food package for the children, which we will explain in our website tour later in this presentation. And finally, package distribution is a segment where we distribute the generated food packages.
So next, system overview. So the coding system we are using to create our website is called Rebel.js. And here are the three characteristics about this coding system. So first, Rebel.js is very simple and it has a very powerful routing system. Just like the picture that you see on your right-hand side. This is one of the image that we took from our backend. And second, it has a well-defined project structure include both front and back end. And third, it has the freedom to work with regular HTML inputs. So overall, Rebel.js is a very organized and user-friendly tool. And most importantly, it is completely cost-free for implementation, creation, as well as maintenance.
Now let's talk about website thumbnails. For now, we're going to show you some thumbnails in our website, and we're going to show you some function highlights too.
So this is the main graphic for a homepage. And at the top, you can see the menu bar, which contains the nutrition, about page, contact, as well as login tabs. We'll explain what each one of those does later in this presentation. This design makes it easy to navigate through the system and know what to do.
Okay, so next, this is our food information sheet. So you can find this information under the About page. This page, you can find all the food images, the price, as well as the stock number. You can also access the nutrition facts information under this page. So here you can see the image of the food, the name of the food, as well as the nutrition facts information, including calories, total facts, including trans facts and saturated fat, sodium amount, protein, and carbohydrates, including fiber and sugars.
This is our food information database. As you can see, we have all the stock, pack size, serving size, and so on, and they're all labeled.
Now, this is the part of the website that relates to segment 3 of our goals and deliverables, generating the food packages. As you can see, all you have to do here is to enter how many students you have that week, as well as how many alternative foods you need, whether that be due to a restricted diet, non-restricted diet, or any other nutritional concerns. After that, just click Generate Menu and it will give you a food package. It will be shown later on.
Okay, so now you have seen some rough outlines of our website. Now we're going to show you our real website.
Okay, so here is the homepage of our website. And here is our generating menu function. And my partner, Aaron, is going to show you 3 examples about how to create the food package for the kids.
So let's say you have 10 students in a given week and 2 kids have a restricted diet. Here you can see it displays the category of the food items, the name of them, and the amount left in stock. This suffices since, as you saw earlier, we already have all the other information such as nutrition stored in our food database. Now let's say that there's not enough food in stock. Let's just use 20,000 students with 500 alternatives as an example for emphasis. It will say that there is not enough food and display the categories where food is missing. Let's use another example to further test our functionality. Let's say there are 400 students and 100 alternatives needed. As you can see there are now 0 bananas left after the generation. We originally had 500 bananas, but we needed 400. And we also had 190 apples left over at the end. As a result, it took 100 extra apples in place of the bananas, leaving it with 90 apples. So if there's not enough food in a category, as long as there's leftovers of other foods in the same category, the other foods in the category can make up for it.
And this is the About page. So you can find all the food information sheets. You can find the images, the price, and the stock number. And so just for example, if you want to see the nutrition information about the food, you can just simply click on the image and all the nutrition facts information will be listed. And here is our contact information page. So here is the part if the website visitor have any question, they can just go to this function and to leave their name, email address, and the message or the questions. And this information will directly send to the Food4Kids Waterloo region email. And this is our login function. So at this point, we are using the administrator account. And the most important function that we like to highlight today is how to add the database. So if you want to access the database, you can just simply tap foods and click enter. So here is our database. And my partner Aaron is going to show you in more details.
As you can see, here you can find many of the requested foods that we have gathered and researched. Each food item is labeled with their stock, package size, serving size, nutrition, price, category, and whether or not we consider it a regular food appropriate for all children. If you want to view a specific food, just click Show, and it will only show the information for that item. To add a food, we simply have to click the New Food button in the top right corner, enter the information, and it's added to the database. It's as simple as that. As you can see by this, we had in mind both the functionality and the ease of use while creating our website. Because it's very easy to use, as we've just shown you, it won't take much skill to use going forward.
Okay, let's go back to our presentation slides.
This is our website overview. As you can see, our website has a user-friendly interface. It's completely free to maintain, and it has straightforward functions.
Okay, finally, so after we are talking about some advantages of features about website, here are some areas that we consider to improve for the future. So here are the 4 segments that we mentioned earlier in the presentation. So first, budgeting and purchasing. We are also considering to add a purchasing aid which can allow us to compare the food price among different grocery stores. And second, food in stock. This is the part that we want to add more food categories, so it can help us to generate more food packages for the kids. And third, generating food package. This is the part that we show you earlier in our web tour. And finally, package distribution. This is the part we want to consider to add more package types, including hello, allergy, non-restrictive, or baby packages, depending on the kids' preferences and restrictions. And second, package checking. This is part that we want to strengthen our inventory management as well as the package checking. So here are all the parts that we consider to improve for our website in the future.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. We hope you take our proposal to this Food4Kids project into consideration